What up, YouTube? So as promised in my update video, in this video we're gonna be fixing this crack in this fiberglass V-lip. So this video applies to anyone who has a fiberglass lip, bumper, and specifically the V-lip for the Mitsubishi Lancer. The supplies that you'll need for this fix, if you can get it, is this fiberglass repair kit. So it's from Bondo. You also need some sandpaper. Any low grit sandpaper would be good. So 40, 80, 180. You need just something abrasive to clean the crack. And then some Bondo body filler. And then other supplies, just a paintbrush and some scissors. Alright, so I should also mention that you want to have some type of paint, or in this case I just got black Plasti dip to finish off the lip. So once you're done the process, you want to paint the whole lip. First step, take off the lip, and I'll see you guys when it's off. Alright, so here's the lip off the bumper. Just want to show you the extent of the damage. Flip it around. That's what it looks like in the back. So a nice hairline fracture. So basically the next step we want to do here is sand this down. So sand out all the dirt and grime and make the crack a little bit more fine and detailed. So there's a space for the resin and fiberglass to go in. So you want to start at the back, sand that down, and also the front. And I'll see you guys after that is done. So this is what you want it to look like. You want it to look white. You want to get rid of this black coating around there. And also here. So after sanding, you just want to clean up the dirt. Just want to clean up the dirt and dust around there. And then we're going to start applying the fiberglass. So before we start applying the fiberglass, you want to get some tape and tape the front of the lip so that it holds its shape while you apply the fiberglass. Alright, so now once you have everything sanded and prepped, you want to get your fiberglass repair kit. So this is what it is. It's by Bondo. And this is what it comes with. So you got your resin, fiberglass resin. So it's basically the glue that holds everything together. You got a piece of fiberglass mat, a fiberglass cloth here. And then you just got your things to mix. And the hardener for the resin. And then just some mixing tools. You want to get your cloth and cut it to the size of the crack. Alright, now time to mix the resin. So basically it's 10 drops per 1 ounce. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then you want to soak this. Soak this inside here. And you want to brush some onto the crack. Get your cloth. You want to place it on here. Okay, now you just wait for this to harden. Alright, so the resin has hardened. So after it's hardened, you can see there, we got a structurally sound lip now. Basically, we're almost done. You just want to get some Bondo body filler just to fill in the cracks there, and then just sand it down and then paint the lip and you're pretty much done. Alright, so you want to mix the Bondo up so you get like a pinkish color. I'll get your scraper tool and then fill in the cracks. Alright, so once the Bondo has dried, you just want to sand it down again and shape it into the shape of the lip. So again, 40 grit, I'll probably go up to 80, but yeah, just shape it and you're good to paint. And that's it. The lip is done. The lip is done. Now we just need to paint it. Alright, so before we paint the fixed lip, you want to give it a good wash. Just wash away all the dirt and powder that's accumulated on it, just so the paint or whatever you're using can stick on the lip well. Alright, so I'm just going to do that and I'll be back. Alright, so once you're done cleaning the lip, you want to just prop it up so it's not on the floor, and now it's time to start painting, or in this case, we are dipping the lip. I don't know if I'm going to film this, but I'll see you when this is done. So once you're done painting, this is what the lip should look like. The crack is basically gone. Yeah, you just gotta reinstall it. So I will reinstall it just tomorrow. Yeah, so that was the fix for the lip. If this video helped you out, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll film more. Alright, peace.